This is how you copy a design from Figma to Framer easily. If you're moving from static design to interactive prototyping, this workflow saves you hours. Start in Figma with your completed design. Make sure elements are grouped and named clearly. Use frames for each screen and set up auto layout if possible. It helps with smoother transitions. Now, what you're going to do is from Figma is to go to this plugins section and then click on plugins and widgets. Now, what you're going to do is to install or run this Figma to HTML with Framer. Now, select all of the frames or the elements that you want, and then just right click on your mouse and then hit on plugins. Now, click on this Figma to HTML with Framer and then wait for it to copy all of the layers of your files. Now, this is essential because in order for you to be able to paste all of your designs to Framer, you will have to do this first. And as you can see, it has made, or the app or the plugin has actually made your design pasteable to Framer. Now just click on copy to clipboard and then go to Framer. Just click on this empty canvas right here and then paste it. Now wait until all the Figma images have been uploaded, and as you can see, it is now uploaded. Just resize this however you want to resize. Just make sure that the size of this canvas that you have in Framer is actually the same as the canvas size in Figma, because as you can see here, it is not the same and it really altered the way my elements are placed in the canvas. And once imported, you can make your design interactive. You can use Framer's tools to add animations, hover states, scroll effects, or page links. You can also convert any frame into a component for use. If you need code, Framer supports custom React components if you want advanced logic. And that's how you copy a design from Figma to Framer easily.